Hello everyone, this is Nathan with Rise Vision Support, and I'm going to show you today how to set up screen sharing across multiple displays and show your screen simultaneously. So first, you're going to want to make sure that the screen sharing feature is enabled in your account. You can see that by clicking the screen share button in the side panel. If you do see it here, you'll see a list of the displays that are online or offline that have screen sharing enabled currently. If you don't see the device that you'd like to on this list, we could go and enable screen sharing on that device. Let's do that now for my Avocor display. I'm going to navigate to Displays, find my Avocor R series, and from the Screen Sharing tab, I'm going to make sure the Enable Screen Share toggle is turned on. There's a couple of different options here for showing sessions on screen or requiring pins or authentication for security, but for now, let's just enable screen sharing. Now, to start a session to multiple displays, let's navigate to our Screen Sharing tab again. I'm going to select our Avocor R series and our Rise Vision Media Player. You can select up to 10 screens to share at once. Now that I've selected the ones I'd like, I'm going to click Start Sharing. We see that's created a session. We currently don't have anyone else in the session, but you can allow others to join with this toggle button, and you can end the session up in the top right here. Since I'm the only one in this session, I will choose to share. I have the options to share a Chrome tab, a window, or my entire screen. I'm going to choose a Chrome tab, and I'm going to choose to not share the audio of my Chrome tab. I'm going to select the Chrome tab I'd like to share and click Share. And we will see a preview of what I am sharing to all of my displays. If you want to end your session, all you need to do is press Stop Sharing, and your session will be ended.